This is the time lever quick start. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the entire system from zero to fully operational, step by step. No theory, no fluff, just the build. You're going to run an AI powered audit of your actual workflow. You're going to identify the exact repetitive tasks that are quietly stealing 10 to 15 hours from you every single week. And you're going to build a voice first automation system that eliminates them permanently. Not next month, not after some 12-week course, today, in one sitting. I'm Mitchell Schwint. I spent 20 years in emergency medicine and helicopter flight medicine, making life and death decisions under pressure. I now build AI productivity systems for professionals who are tired of working harder and getting nowhere. The ROI on what you're about to learn is not subtle. We're talking 10 to 15 hours back, every week, exposed by a single prompt, eliminated by two tools, compounded every 30 days when you re-audit and rebuild. $47, 15 minutes of your time, and a system that pays you back before the end of your first week. And here's my guarantee. If you set this up and it doesn't save you time or you get stuck and can't figure it out, I will personally jump on a call with you and walk you through it. That's not a refund policy, that's a promise because I know this works. Let's get into it.